So we're going to start by finding these three faces, the bottom of the prism, this side right here, and then finally this side right there. And we can do that all together by taking a look at the perimeter of the base. So the perimeter of the base, we have 5, 6, and another 5. So what I'm going to do is add those together. 5 plus 6 plus 5 gives you 16. That's the perimeter of the base. To find all of the red areas, we're going to multiply that by the height of the prism, which is 12. 16 times 12 gives you 192 units squared. Now what we need to do is find the area of the base. So if we take a look at the area of this base, it has a base of 6 and a height of 4. So we're going to do 6 times 4 divided by 2, because that's the formula for area of a triangle. That comes out to be 24 divided by 2, which is 12. But there are 2 bases here, so I need to make sure that I'm going to multiply this by 2 to get the 2 bases in, which is 24. And then to finish up, I'm going to take the area of the outside faces, which is 192, and I'm going to add that to the area of the bases, which is 24, and that comes out to be 216 units squared. For assessments, just type in 216.